Ever feel like your team's project management is a chaotic mess of emails, spreadsheets, and sticky notes? You're trying to track a project, but information is scattered everywhere. Someone is updating a Google Doc, another person is adding tasks to a Trello board, and a third is just, well, sending emails with a lot of exclamation marks. It's a classic problem in today's hybrid work world, and it's why so many people have fallen in love with Asana. Asana is a project management superstar for a reason. This clean, visual interface makes it easy to see what needs to be done, who's doing it, and when it's due. It's all about centralizing tasks, communication, and files. But what if you're a Microsoft shop? What if your company lives and breathes in the Microsoft 365 ecosystem? The thought of adding another subscription and another platform to learn can be daunting. You're left with one big question. Which Microsoft app is like Asana? The short answer is, there isn't one single app that is a perfect one-to-one clone of Asana. Microsoft's approach is a little different. They've created a suite of specialized apps that, when used together, can replicate and even surpass Asana's functionality. This is where it gets interesting because you're not just getting a single tool, you're getting a whole toolkit. To really understand the comparison, we need to break down Asana's core features and see how they map to Microsoft's offerings. First, let's talk about the most common Asana feature, the Kanban board. This is where you have columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done, and you drag and drop cards as tasks move through a workflow. It's a super visual way to manage projects, and it's a huge part of what makes Asana so popular. The Microsoft equivalent here is Microsoft Planner. Planner is designed for light to medium project management and is built directly into Microsoft 365. It gives you those visual Kanban boards, allows you to assign tasks, set due dates, add checklists, and attach files. It's fantastic for small teams or a single project manager who needs a quick and easy way to visualize their work. If you're a heavy Teams user, Planner is even more powerful because it integrates seamlessly, allowing you to manage your project without ever leaving the Teams interface. But what if your projects are more complex? What if you have tasks that are dependent on each other, and you need a way to visualize a timeline or a Gantt chart? Asana has a robust timeline view that handles this beautifully. The Microsoft app that steps up here is Microsoft Project for the web. This is Microsoft's more advanced project management tool. While it's not the same as the old, incredibly complex desktop version of Microsoft Project that many people might remember, Project for the web is a modern, cloud-based solution. It offers those critical timeline and Gantt chart views, which are essential for tracking dependencies and seeing the big picture of a project schedule. If you're managing a project with a lot of moving parts and a strict timeline, Project for the web is the clear choice. Now, Asana is also a hub for collaboration. It's where you have conversations about tasks, share files, and get status updates. This is where you can't look at just one Microsoft app. You have to consider the entire Microsoft 365 ecosystem. The core of this is Microsoft Teams. Teams is where the conversations happen. It's where you can have a channel dedicated to your project and communicate in real time. You can then use the integration with Planner or Project for the web to pin your project board or timeline directly in that Teams channel. This creates that centralized hub that Asana provides, but it's all within the platform your team is likely already using for meetings, chat, and file sharing. You're not forcing people to learn a new tool just to talk about their work. You're bringing the work to where the conversations are already happening. What about just personal task management? A big part of Asana's appeal is the My Tasks view, which brings all your assigned tasks from every project into one place. This is where Microsoft To Do shines. To Do is Microsoft's personal task management app. It's simple, elegant, and designed to help you manage your daily to-do list. The magic happens because To Do automatically pulls in tasks that are assigned to you from Microsoft Planner. So, if your manager assigns you a task in Planner, it will automatically show up in your Assigned to Me list in To Do. This creates a powerful, unified view of your personal workload, regardless of whether it's a team project or a personal reminder. It's the perfect complement to Planner and gives you that same sense of a single source of truth for all your work. Finally, a quick mention of Microsoft Lists. While not a project management app in the same vein as Asana, lists can be used in some creative ways to track project information. Think of it as a supercharged spreadsheet with a more modern, user-friendly interface. You can use lists to track assets, manage event itineraries, or create a simple bug tracker. It offers a higher degree of customization than Planner and can be a great way to handle more data-rich projects. So, to circle back to our original question, which Microsoft app is like Asana? The answer is a bit of a choose-your-own-adventure. For a quick, easy, and visual experience, it's Microsoft Planner. For more complex projects with dependencies and timelines, it's Microsoft Project for the web. For personal task management, it's Microsoft To Do. And for all of it, the glue that holds it all together and provides the collaboration hub is Microsoft Teams. The real magic is that all these apps are designed to work together, creating a powerful, integrated solution that can be tailored to your specific team's needs. You're not just getting a single tool, you're getting a complete ecosystem. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.